Our clients come to us in this business in their worst time. And there's nothing better than being able to tell that client that you're going to be making everything okay. I'm Sean Flaherty. I am the managing partner here at Keches Law Group. I was inspired to become a lawyer because of an injury that had happened when I was younger. I was unfortunately injured while in the course and scope of my employment when I fell at work, and I fell approximately 20 to 25 feet, breaking just about all the bones in my left foot. I was fortunate enough to meet George Keches through that process. George Keches is the founding partner of this firm. Because of that tough time, I decided that I wanted to go back to college, go to law school, and make a career in helping people that were injured in the course of their employment or otherwise. My family history runs deep within the Local 7 Boston unions. My grandfather was a long-standing member for over 30 years of Local 7, and my dad was also a long-standing, long-term member of Local 7 union iron workers. I myself worked for a short period of time in the field, and it's something that runs in my blood, and I'm so happy to represent those men and women that are in need of representation. A notable case, and one that will always stick with me, involved a young laborer who was from Western Massachusetts, and unfortunately, while in the course and scope of his employment, had walls cave in around him, dirt walls, while he was in a hole as a sewer pipe and water pipe was being worked on, and unfortunately, as a result of the collapsing of the walls around him, he ended up perishing in that accident. I was called by his young wife, who had at the time 2 very young children, and she had really no place to turn and didn't know how to deal with it, didn't know what was going to happen, didn't know if her house was going to be taken from her or if she could keep the lights on, feed her children, and that is something that will always stick out in my memory. We were able to negotiate a settlement of $1.4 million for just the workers' compensation claim. What we were able to accomplish for the decedent's wife and family was to make sure that, in fact, they never did miss any payment, to put the family at ease, to allow them to have money set aside for college, for education for the children, and to really try to put the family on firm financial footing. Our relationship with Esquire Bank has allowed us to scale our practice and to take on cases that we would never have been able to take on prior. Our law firm is one of the largest, if not the largest, personal injury law firm in New England. We have, at any given time, between 200 and 250 employees, with approximately 60 to 70 of those being lawyers. Prior to our relationship with Esquire Bank, we were not heavily involved in class action litigation. We were not involved in sexual assault litigation, and these are all things that have allowed us to grow and allowed us to find new avenues of helping more people. I hope that the future of law allows clients to receive the best representation from the best lawyers that are suitable to handle their cases. We work with our clients with regards to not just the workers' comp element, but Social Security, their retirement, and oftentimes a negligence action as a result of their work injury. And our job here at Keches Law Group is to make sure that we uncover every stone and try to financially and medically assist our clients to the utmost so that they are in a position when they leave us that is far better than the position in which we found them.